Hey guys, we're back in another video where today I got the deadbolt. Well, my dad did, but yeah. And we have a truck to compare it to. A first generation Axial XCX10. We're to see the differences and the pros and cons of both these trucks. But this is just an unboxing and review. First look review. So, unbox. Says has metal servo, good, 35T brush motor, okay, then it has the Tactic TTX 200, you can do better receivers, like Banggood has one, a Dumbo controller, those are good, has a waterproof receiver box, 3-channel receiver, pretty nice axles will look on the box. Waterproof stuff, adjustable tray and all that. Looks good. Box is nice. From Axial. So, let's open it. Let's see the truck first. Okay. I'll open it on the other end so you can see the truck first. Okay. Awesome, you got some accessories here. Got your tree, some parts. The dude's head, that's pretty cool. Heck yeah. Controls. That's a lot of parts for this. Got the owner's manual. Then you got the remote. This is why I don't like these remotes. It's just, they look cheap. Just straight out cheap. Like, it doesn't feel bad. See, just feels cheap, weird. Batteries go on the bottom, I guess. Yeah, batteries go on the bottom like usual. I've never used one of these remotes, but the steering feels nice, throttle feels good, just looks cheap. Yo, Walmart, did you make this? I don't know, probably did. Meme, I got some bubble wrap. Go ahead, Meme. Some bubble wrap. She doesn't eat it, she pulls it, tears it all apart. Okay. I got a sneak peek, it looks good. You ready? It's stuck right there. Okay. Nice. Looks good. Shocks feel decent. Better than some other trucks I can buy. Let's flip this around. Cut these ties off. Still be like one of them. Okay. time to grab scissors. Flip it around and just do it the easiest way possible. Dang. These are good zip ties. Okay. That's your truck. Okay. Looks good. On the outside, the tires feels nice. I would prefer, you know, more softer tires, but on the outside, looks good. Nice and low. Servo's mounted on chassis. Any bumps there? Nope. Back shocks are kind of loud. Looks nice. Feels good quality. Let's get this box out of the way. Okay, let's see which one is longer. This is an upgraded truck, so this will have a little bit wider, longer wheelbase. Yeah, it's a ½ inch longer wheelbases, which is not bad, but this is more a top-heavy truck. Right here. This is our old one. I do once over on that truck. But this is this truck's video. Let's take this body off. This nice rubber actually. Okay. Battery goes in front. Got your instructions right here. Got your T-plug. Feels nice quality. I don't like the shocks though. That's what I gotta say about this truck already. Oh. I guess putting them springs back in makes it good. Now there's extra linkages in here. This looks like about 7 inches. I think these are longer linkages in here. Now let's do a close. Okay, got a close-up shot. Nice suspension. This is like I think a $350 truck that we got it at, but we got an $80 coupon. Use your rims, they're nice. Got some beauty caps on them. Nice grip. Feels nice. Nice box. I like how the battery box is right here, so it goes sideways. We did put a new connector on this. And no servo, plastic outing. Looks nice. I see where a lot of people say this is a better truck. It's probably because it comes with this much upgrades. We didn't get that much in that one. But all around, it's a nice looking truck. Body's nice. I like the roll cage on it. Nice light bar. It's like a Jeep body. Yeah, it's a Jeep body. Nice inside. You got your driver's head. Yeah, you can take his head off. And head's right here. Got a skull. You got a dirt bike helmet one. Got some parts in here. Other than that, looks like a nice truck. This is just a unboxing. This is not the final review. Final review is when we take it out and compare this one and that one together. Then my mom's truck, which is the same truck but not the deadbolt version. Yeah, I guess that's a video for now. I guess dropping everything. If you enjoyed this video, share it. This is not the final review. Wait about a week. We get back, tell you the pros and cons and what you should upgrade on this truck. Because a lot of stock trucks have their cons and pros. Like the Traxxas TRX 4 Sport has nice portal axles, has good reticulation on the suspension. But Axials are pretty known for their straight axles. And we had to test that out. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.